In today's lecture, we will talk upon the types of solution based on the physical state of solute and solvent. Normally, there are three physical states: gas, liquid and solid. If you want to make gaseous solution, it means obvious you have to take solvent of gas, because you know that the more proportion is solvent. So if you want to make a gaseous solution, you have to take gas and gas as solvent, and you can take gas, liquid or solid as solute. Same way for liquid solution, for solvent you must take liquid. In solid, solid. So example, this particular board work or concept is only for MCQ. Okay, if you have solvent gas and solute is also gas, both are gas, so it's very easy. It's H2 plus O2, means atmospheric gases. Both are in gaseous form, but the proportion of O2 is more, so O2 is solvent. Okay. Second, liquid in gas. How to pronounce it? Liquid in gas, because liquid proportion is less. Liquid in gas. So air containing moisture. So air containing moisture, that is your solute, and air, that is your solvent. Third is solid in gas. So solid, camphor is solid as you know, and gas N2. Then gas in liquid, gas is less in liquid. So सोडा वाटर में क्या होता है? पानी H2O, लिक्विड वो सॉल्वेंट है, गैस उसमें ऐड होता है. लिक्विड इन लिक्विड, so water and ethanol both are liquid. Okay. Solid in liquid, there are number of particular solutions in our daily life, like sugar plus water, NaCl plus water, because sugar, NaCl, they are solid and water is liquid. Third, gas in solid. So gas H2 adsorb in palladium. Palladium, it's a metal and it's a solid. So gas in solid. Liquid in solid, it's most important. Liquid in solid. So this is your mercury, that is liquid. Zinc, it is solid. So liquid in solid. Whenever there is mercury in metal, it is called amalgam. Listen carefully. What is amalgam? Mercury solution in metal. If you take here sodium, Na, so it is called sodium amalgam. If you have taken here zinc, so it's a zinc amalgam. Okay. If you take magnesium amalgam. Last, solid plus solid. All the alloys, one of it I have written over here, that is brass. Copper plus zinc make brass alloy. So both are in solid form. So it's very important point for MCQ, that is types of solution. Okay. Now the third point, that is concentration of solution. You have already studied it in your standard 11 in chapter number 1. You know most of the concept of concentration, but once again we will study this topic. What do you mean by concentration? You know that if you take particular solvent, I have taken solvent and add solute. Okay, it is called solution. But now what do you mean by concentration? If you take solvent, unit weight of solvent or unit volume of solution. Why we require unit word? Because when you define concentration, you have to tell that how much you have taken solvent or how much you have taken solution. So we have taken unit volume. So you can take it 1 liter. Here you can take 1 kg. Okay. So concentration must be with respect to some particular values. And this is solute. So amount of solute. Amount of solute. Now amount it may it is in mass or mole, both possible. So what is particular definition? The amount of solute, listen carefully, definition, amount of solute dissolved in unit weight of solvent or unit volume of solution, that is called concentration. Okay, if I write here 2 mole of sugar plus 1 liter solution. So 1 liter, in 1 liter of solution there is 2 mole of sugar. Okay, so unit volume is 1, okay, and this is 2. So concentration in mole per liter, that is 2 by 1, and it is 2, and it is in mole per liter, so it's a molarity. We will discuss in detail, but in short, what is concentration? So amount of solute, listen carefully, amount of solute dissolved in unit volume of solution. Here it is 1 liter. If it is 2 liter, then 2 by 2, it's 1. So whenever you calculating your concentration, it must be unit volume. Okay. So here amount of solute dissolved in unit volume of solution or unit mass of solvent. If the mass of solvent is given, then also you can define concentration. I hope you can understand very easily what do you mean by concentration. Last point for you, if you add solvent, if you increase the proportion of solvent in particular solution, then concentration will decrease because you have added solvent. आप पानी डालोगे, मान लो एक शोर यानी नमक वाला पानी है, उसमें ज्यादा पानी डालोगे तो concentration डाउन होगी. ओके, अगर आप solute डालते हो, if you add solute, then you are increasing concentration. This is most important point for you. So if you add solvent यानी पानी ऐड कर रहे हो, अगर aqueous solution है तो concentration decrease होगी यानी dilute होगा, और अगर आप solute ऐड कर रहे हो तो you are concentrating it. Okay, so ये dilution process हो गई, ये concentrating process हो गई. So now in next lecture we will discuss the different units of concentration like molarity, molality, weight by weight, weight by volume, volume by volume, and ppm. So see you in next lecture.